I'm totally ecstatic right now. I feel like jumping up and down.
Action! Look, I have a dream.
This week we start at another school. We have entered Nab'Ubomi for a second time.
Action!
Bethelsdorp Comprehensive won 4 trophies last time out, including the People's Choice Award. We spoke to Avira about her film.
We should try and stand up for ourselves, not be influenced by people, and try and do things right the first time, because we're not always going to find a wormhole and do things and go through time again, you know.
Good morning, you. It's a wonder you early. Het gaan zeker storm.
I was even Roderick. Good morning, Cedric. My baby, how are you today?
Ach, you know I'm always great when I see you.
Ja, mensen, genoeg met die lawie-dawie. Goed, kom ons vallen.
Light. Have no fright. Smoke one zol and you'll be high on top of the sky, yeah? Yeah, got. Okay, sharp dogs. Nice doing business with you, David.
My friend, where's the pipe? There we go.
You know, I don't like it when you do that. It's gonna come back to you someday. And besides, it's dangerous.
Ach, baby, relax, man. It's okay.
Oeh, Courtney, nou rere. Hou nou op om zo aan te gaan. Dat is lelijk.
Enjoy. Oh, my word, that was good.
Ik zie wat. What? Baby!
Oh, wait, wat gaan doen?
Cedric! Cedric! Baby, speak to me! Come on! Ga jij die phone niet eens in mijn wat dan? Die gaan naar jou. Speak to me, Cedric!
Ja? Wat gaan school doen? Wat gaan school doen? Wat zo?
My bro, it's 5 to 12 already and you still making it obvious that something is wrong. Act normal. How the hell am I supposed to do that? What if he's dead? Oh my god, if he's no doing, check it. Hou je aan en hou uit my besigheid.
Don't chat me, brother.
I'll go. No, maybe you should know. You want to know what really happened?
Yes, gonna.
I wish I could find a loophole in time, pass through a wormhole into the past. Einstein said the backward flow of time is improbable but not impossible. All I need is a second chance.
Oh my word!
And now? Why are you so happy to see me? Something happened.
How do you mean that something happened?
Are you telling me that? What time is it? Word ooit mense genoeg met die lawie-dawie goed kom ons val?
Ja, ik kom ons val.
Wait! I don't feel like going anymore. I have a bad feeling about this, and besides, I don't love like this anymore.
If she's staying, then I'm staying, guys. I feel what she's saying.
Ach, whatever mense, ek het die tyd verdien nie, kom ons val.
Is duidelijk, mensen. Ik zal mijn hele shirt
Daily bro, go weer check me. My baby, I'm so proud of you. Thanks for doing what I couldn't do. But what made you want to turn around anyway?
It's just a weird moment of the improbable becoming possible.
Okay.
In a rural village outside Ngcobo, the learners at Gwarubana Senior Secondary School had their work cut out for them, shooting at 9 locations in a single day, including the local taxi rank.
You look worried, my friend. What happened?
Yes, he's so strange these days.
Do you want to know?
Yes, we are worried about you.
My father has passed away, and my mother is sick, and there's no money to buy food and medicine. Why doesn't she go to the clinic? Do you think she didn't go?
I know, Jabu. In this clinic there's no care. How many are there in your family?
We are 3. 2 boys and a girl, and I'm the eldest. Who is responsible for your welfare? We solely depend on our neighbors' mercy for survival. And you know what, guys? There is nothing as haunting and humiliating as living on thank yous. So what are you going to do now? I must find myself a job. Where? What do you suggest, guys? I need to get out of this trauma.
Take courage, son. We all have different problems. Tigers, don't cry.
Maybe in the taxi rank, polishing shoes for people before going to school. That could be fine, so that I can take care of my family.
Can I have your homework, please? Jabu, where's the book?
I'm sorry, Mom. I don't have a book.
You don't have a book?
Sorry, Mom. Thank you, sir. Oh, hello, Mr. Mavela.
It's tight up, boy. How much, boy?
3 rand, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Kuthini usenza lena endaweni wena nesikole?
I want to take care of my family.
At this age? Why?
Because I'm the eldest in my family.
Awunabazali?
I do have my mother, but she's sick.
I don't think this money will be enough to take care of your family. You must find a better job. I think I could help you. I have the right job for you.
What kind of a job?
I need you to sell drugs in your school. I don't have an agent there yet.
But drugs are not allowed at school.
No, boy. Don't panic. You will find a plan. It's a good job that will change your whole life. Don't worry, son. I will take care of your family and you will live a comfortable life. Let's meet after school tomorrow at my place. Have some tea, boy. Look, boy, you must be careful. Don't make any mistakes.
Hey, Jab.
Yeah.
I need the strongest stuff.
Manifest. That's 100 rand.
Hi, Bo. This is too little for 100 rand. Guess I should rob the bank to pay you these days.
Ma'am,
Jabu, I don't believe you are capable of such crime. Tell us who gave you the drugs and we'll help you out of this mess.
I've had enough of people helping me. I needed to do this so that I could provide for my family.
I'm sorry, we can't help you then.
Jabu is hereby required to spend 1 year at a juvenile home of correctional services.
Jabu,
Yes, ma'am.
your brother is here. He's looking for you.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother. How are you? Fine, and you? Fine.
Long time no see, huh?
Yeah, it has been a long time.
Is Mama well?
Yes.
How are you coping at school?
Good.
I know. Mr. Marvel has been taking care of you, although he hasn't visited me.
Who's Mr. Mavela? No one except our neighbors have been caring for us. I think I must start polishing shoes for money to buy food and medicine.
Hey, kid. I'm starting at this school.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to make more money than this, I could help you. I'm Mr. Marvel. We can meet here after school if you are interested for the new job.
Are you Mr. Mavela, who got Jabu, my brother, to sell drugs and promised to help his family? Oh, no, sir. I am not interested in your offer. That would be the run for me.
I am glad you decided to go back to school, Jabu, but you should meet the principal first.
Where did you get the drugs, Jabu?
From Mr. Marvela, ma'am.
Now that you've had this experience, what are your resolutions? What do you think of Mr. Marvel?
I wasted my time. I have decided to come back to school, and I want that man to be arrested before he deceives more disadvantaged children with his empty promises.
Mr. Marvelo, you're under arrest for the illegal possession of drugs and have the right to remain silent.
60 kilometers outside Amtata, director Sabelo Tafa of Dilizintaba Senior Secondary School had to push his crew to finish outdoor scenes before the rain set in.
I wasn't expecting the weather to be like this. Yesterday it was warm.
Hola, my chance. Baby, I know you are new here, but please be more concerned with your studies than with boys and men.
But baby, you know me. I can't cheat on you. You are the only man for me.
Yes, baby, I know you can say so, but there are many vultures who pick up our love and fly away with it, and so I was just trying to warn you about them.
Okay, baby, I understand, but I promise you that they will never take me from you. See you later, my pilot.
Sharp.
I greet you all in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. I hope everyone had a pleasant holiday. This is the new year. We must all make the most of it. We are going to have a short staff meeting. So please behave as you go to your classrooms.
Hi. Can I sit with you? I like sitting in front.
Yes, no problem.
Thank you. My name is Nomaza, or you can call me Sab.
Hi, Nomaza. I'm Nonela. You can call me Noni.
Noni? Ufike nini ngoba isikole?
Sure. Lonyaka.
Morning, class.
Morning, sir.
Where were we, by the way?
We were in slavery, sir.
Slavery. Okay.
Chaka, bro. Within no time, I'll be starting towards my soon diploma.
If you what? Man, that doesn't worry me. With the help of this, I can go everywhere and I can open every door.
Yeah, bro. Those things are dangerous.
Have you tried them?
No.
So,
Afternoon, class.
Afternoon, sir.
That's where we end our lesson for today. Don't forget the homework, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Sapo, please come here, my love.
I can't, I'm busy. No, girl. Don't treat him like that. What has he done to deserve this? He's a good guy. Listen, girl, I don't care what he did, and I don't care how he is. I don't like him anymore, okay?
Whatever, girl.
Again, I don't know where to start, but I want you to know that I've fallen for you. But please, this must stay between the two of us, huh? Please, it must stay between the two of us.
Okay, sir.
Yes, bro. I don't know what's got into Nomaza. She's acting strange for me.
maybe she has a new boyfriend. Bro, you need to take a good look at her.
I don't know. What if I lose her?
If she's got a new boyfriend, you have lost her already.
Noni, wait for me. I have to show you something. Be fast, girl. I'm hungry.
Look, Toma, where did you get this?
Mr. Mzansi gave me this, Toma, and guess what? He said he loved me, and I love him too, Toma.
This is not right. You can't be doing this. He's your teacher, and he's way older than you. Don't even think about it.
But Nanela, the age is not the problem. Oh.
No, Maza, you'll be making a big mistake.
I don't know. Don't you think he's cute?
Please, stop it. This is sickening. You'll regret it. You are putting your dreams at risk. What about Zuko? He loves you a lot.
I like him anyway, whether you like it or not.
But he is old.
That's why I like him, sugar daddy.
Don't do this, my friend. Stop this nonsense.
You are not my parent, so don't tell me what to do. Otherwise, better go your way and I'll go mine.
It's fine. Don't come back crying to me.
Ah! Are you alright?
Yes, of course. I missed my date in the past 2 months.
Who's the father? Because it's not me. It's not me.
Hayi bomzansi, uthando ndibuza loo nto leyo, onondibuza loo nto kaloku mna. Nguwe wedwa umntu ebendidlala nayo kwezi nyanga ezidlulileyo. Uthando ndibuza loo nto ngoku.
Hayi, you must be crazy.
I now know why. Dude, let it go. She damned you 3 months ago. She's having an affair with Mzansi. Damn, how could I have been so dumb? Here, I was near. You won't fear him. Ha ha ha! I will sort that good Mzansi out. I'm telling you, my friend.
Molo mfundisi. Siphi esibhanqa simithisa umntanam? Ndithi siphi nesi sibhanqa simithisa umntanam?
From today onwards, he will know who's the man. Mzansi! Mzansi! Mosha umntwana mosha wayi.
I'm excited because these people are helping in exposing the learners in the world of films, production, directing, and camera handling. I can see from the little faces of the learners that they really are enjoying this together with their teacher.